Biblia, ito'y aklat ng Diyos para po sa pamilya. Sapagkat there's no government without a family. Ang Biblia ay mayroong turo tungkol sa husband, tungkol sa wives, tungkol sa mga anak, tungkol sa parents. Sabi ng Bible sa husband, love your wife. Sabi ng Panginoon sa wives, submit unto your own husband. Sabi ng Bible sa mga bata, children, obey your parents in the Lord. For this is right. So when you disobey your parents, it is wrong. Bible po yan. Ano sabi ng Bible sa Ephesians 6:1? Children, obey your parents in the Lord. For this is right. In the book of Deuteronomy, bago ko po basahin ang textbook, I want to take advantage of this. Sa Deuteronomy chapter 6, babasahin ko po sa verse 4. Sabi diyan, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord, and thou shalt love. Ito'y turo ng Panginoon sa mga magulang. Listen to these parents. Sabi ng Bible sa verse 5, And thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thine heart, with all thy soul, and with all thy might. Sabi ng Panginoon sa mga magulang, mahalin natin ang Diyos ng buong puso, ng buong kaluluwa, at ng buong lakas. And then look at the verse 6. In these words, which I command thee this day, shall be in thine heart. Isa sa puso ng magulang. And verse 7, And thou shalt teach them diligently unto thy children. Ituturo sa mga anak. Sabi dyan, And thou shalt teach them diligently unto thy children, and shalt talk of them when thou sittest in thine house, and when thou walkest by the way, and when thou liest down, and when thou risest up. Sino yung parents na gumagawa niyan ngayon? All parents are busy for their work or for their business. They have no time for their kids. Sabi ng Bible sa Proverbs, train up a child in the way they should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it.